I do want to speak to the ladies in the house and the futures, and maybe your spouses who are planning to join the program. I was in the program not 20 years ago, in 2014. And I quickly wanted to just give, I saw some questions about if you already have experience, can you, what do you do with that experience? If you're already a data analyst, will this program help you? I happen to come from I was in leadership roles in hospitality and in the travel industry. And somewhere around the downturn around 2018, many of us we were making decisions on who was going to get a severance package. And then my turn came, and they had to make a decision on me on whether I was going to get that severance package and lose my my job as a result. So I had to make that decision. Well, I'm already not getting balance between work and family. What industry can I join that can offer me that balance between work and family? And so after looking around and doing a lot of research, technology became the answer. But where in the world do you start? Do I go to SMU? Do I go to other places? I mean, how am I going to get started? How do you get training if you don't have any technology background? So I ran into Colaberry, and I'm telling you, my life changed at that. My life really literally changed, and I was able to grow take my old leadership roles and experience and bring them onto this technology platform. And I was able to grow into other roles, and was a director of digital transformation, learning and development with a different company. And there's so many places you can go with your past experience and tacking on the technology know-how that you will receive. So I want to encourage you, for those of you, I know you're so motivated and you're so excited, which is really good. And we want you to stay there. What I'm going to say is what I wish somebody told me then. You can't work alone. Don't work alone. Even if you think you're amazing, that's great. Don't work alone. But the other thing I could say is I wish I joined the program earlier, right? So now you have a chance, take advantage, stay on the lookout for your emails for the early bird special, save a couple $100, but more importantly, start now. Go ahead and make your full payment and get started, and forget about everyone else in the class. And right now, get ahead of the class. We have people who are about 4 classes ahead, 5 classes ahead. Of course, you want to master as you go. Don't just learn for the sake of learning, or go through it for the sake of going through it. But I would encourage you, go ahead and wait for that email. The early bird special is going to come around in your email very soon, within the next couple of days. Go ahead and apply and get started. Make your full payment and get started. But we're so excited to have you guys. If you need anything, we're here for you.